Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Apple stock. And to start year 2021, Apple has actually started off very slowly compared to other stocks. It actually decreased in market value, having a lot of investors and analysts turning bearish on this company. But when it comes to a $2 trillion company like Apple, you can never really count them out. They're always trying to innovate and improve their services. So in this video, I kind of want to update you guys on the brand new features that Apple is currently working on and soon to be releasing, and also give you guys some updates on their financials and some of their products before they release their actual true earnings call on January 26th. And I always try to give you guys the most updated information that I possibly can. So I do hope you guys enjoy the video and watch all the way through. So without further ado guys, let's get on with this video. So right now guys, Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL, after hours is trading at $126.98. So you can see this is the trading day for Apple. You can see it's been in the red for some time now. This is the past week. Look at the past month, it's still in the red. And if we look at the year to date, how it started the year off, it's still in the red. Started the year off $131.45, ending at $127.07. Okay, hitting the lows of around $126.59. And a lot of investors have been concerned with this slow start regarding to Apple. But to be honest with you guys, it's not something you guys should worry about. Again, Apple is a $2 trillion company and is a behemoth of a company. It has so many different revenues of income and so much cash in hand. So a lot of investors that are bearish on this company shouldn't be too worried about this company. And on January 26th, they will be reporting their financials. And some of the things that you guys should be looking forward to are the key numbers for their iPhones and their MacBooks. Okay, so let's take a look at them really quickly. The iPhone is going to be very important and a very key metric when they report their earnings on January 26th. When they first released their phones, it was around October, so they didn't have too much metrics or too much time to actually get a pure 3 months inside. Okay, now that we have a full quarter inside, we're gonna have pure good numbers. Okay, and iPhone will be the king for the earnings on January 26th, and right now all signs are great. Apple has instructed the suppliers to produce around 230 million more iPhones next year, which is a 30% increase from the pre-pandemic pace of 2019. You can already see this is a very good early sign that their iPhone metrics and numbers are going to be extremely important on their earnings call. Their second thing that you guys should really know is that they have been increasing their demand in China. The revenues in China have also been increasing. Since 2015, the demand for iPhones haven't really been there in China. It's slowly been decreasing since 2015. And they've always been wondering something has to happen with Apple. And a lot of investors and analysts have been bearish because of their interest with China and Apple. But I'm here to say guys, it's something that we should not worry about. Something that us Apple shareholders should not worry about anymore. Some new information came in from Asia suggesting that 18 million units of the iPhone 12 have been sold in Greater China, meaning that 20% of the smartphone market is being controlled by Apple, and which is always a great news because China have always been that one thing that analysts and investors have always been throwing at regarding to Apple stock. Oh, Apple is never going to get a pure grip in China. Well, you can see that these numbers are proving all these people wrong. Apple still has, believe it or not, some room for growth. If they could get more demand in China, they will get more income and more revenue than they already have on their stat sheets. One of the big things that has been driving up the demand in China is that the incorporation of their 5G in their Apple smartphones. So you can see here more than 50% of smartphone shipments in China as of late have been of 5G ready devices. So you can see the incorporation of the 5G in their phones have been driving up the demands in China, which is always a good news and good thing to hear for Apple shareholders and Apple as a company in overall. Right? And the second big thing that's going to be really big in the earnings call is their MacBooks. The demand for the MacBooks, how much units have they actually sold? As we all know, with the pandemic and everybody really restricted and closed into the house, the MacBooks have been getting a lot more demand than normal. So it's going to be very interesting to see how much demand that there is for their MacBooks, how many have they sold, and what is the future growth for the Macs later on heading into year 2021. And as we mentioned earlier, Apple did have a very slow start to the year. But trust me guys, Apple has always has something up their sleeve, and they actually pulled the trigger on something that many people never thought that they were actually going to try. Apple, the company that basically invented podcasts, has reportedly decided to give this whole podcast thing a try. Apple's going to finally start charging a small subscription fee specifically for their podcast. The rumors going around that Apple might even separate their podcast for a specific app and maybe even have them in a bundle just like Apple Fitness or Apple Plus, and it might be in a whole bundle according to the Apple universe and the whole Apple equilibrium, you know. So this has been very exciting news, and it does bring some concerns for other platforms like Spotify. Spotify stock downgraded by Citigroup as podcast competition heats up. Remember, Spotify is the #1 player in podcasts and right now in music as well. But if Apple could get in and start chipping away at Spotify's revenue and marketing, Apple is going to be a real big mammoth when it comes to podcasts. Apple's never really charged for podcasts before, but it's going to be very interesting to see how all of this plays out in the near future. In regards to Apple, guys, Apple is one of these companies that, to be honest with you guys, it's never going to go away. Okay, so in my opinion, I'm going to keep on buying shares no matter the stock price, because I always know that these people, this whole corporation and Tim Cook is always going to be thinking of different ways to make revenue and go into different realms that they've never really touched upon before. Remember, now Apple is doing Apple Fitness that they've never really done. Now they're competing with Peloton. You know, so they're always trying to do and renovate and innovate different type of things and incorporate it inside their business. Their business model is fundamentally sound and bulletproof in my opinion. This $2 trillion company may be a company to, you know, that could reach $3 trillion in the long term. Okay, so no matter the stock price, yes, the year started off really rough for them, but I'm not too worried about them whatsoever. Once they release their financials, I'm pretty sure a lot of investors are going to start to buy more and more shares of Apple out there. So I'm not too worried about Apple whatsoever. And I give you guys my stock prediction. I can easily see this stock going up to $150 easily, no, hands down. Like, that's my stock prediction for Apple right now. All right, guys, so that's basically my Apple stock update. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video and like this value information. Again, I always try to give you guys the most updated information that I possibly can give, and I hope you guys do find some value in these videos. And if you do, and you like following my channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. It really helps out the channel, pushes out the video out to more and more people. If you guys are interested into investing, I'm gonna put my Robinhood link down below. If you make an account using my link, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, we'll both be benefiting. Right, guys, so that's probably the end of the video. Thank you all for watching all the way through. I really do appreciate the support I've been getting as of late. I support and I love each and every single one of you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I really do, I really do, I really do. All right, guys, so peace out, guys. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, peace out, peace out, peace out. Later.